All right, so what I've done is I've logged into a old age Gmail account. Let's take a look at a couple of the privacy settings. As you can see, we don't have a birthday, and we have no phone number on this. The data and privacy, the searches, history is turned on. Okay, so it's not horrible. And if we take a look at the mail, come down here to the inbox, you'll see that it's been getting mail since December of 2014. So, not bad, pretty decent listing. So let's see if we can get a review through on like a really difficult listing. So this might be interesting. So what I did was I just searched up personal injury lawyer Tampa, and I tried to find a listing that I thought was kind of spammy. Roll down here and see no reviews. Looks like he does have this website is different than this one. So there must be a dentist. There must be a real Dennis Lopez Law, or they're just using this as a lead gen. Either way, it looks spammy as heck. So let's see if we can drop a review or not. So what we're going to do is we'll leave a review. I found a review. We're just going to copy and paste it. There we go. Looks good. Let's see if it would go through or not. Done. You can see no reviews. Let's refresh it. No reviews. Let's take a look at our review that we put. I'm going to hit the share button. See, this is something that people get really confused about. They say, hey, I can see the review on my profile. Why is it not, why can you not see it? Or why is it not showing up, right? Well, it's always going to show up on your review, on your profile, whether it publishes or not. So let's take a look at, this is my profile. Let's paste it in. As you can see, it'll say this review is no longer available. So if you look at it through, this is when I say a review, if it sticks or if it publishes, this is exactly what I mean. It means it shows up on, it's always going to show up on the person's profile that leaves it, but is it going to show up for everybody else, right? So this is a perfect example. Now, what I want to see is it the listing or is it the Google account itself, right? So let's go ahead, and what I'm going to do is next, I'm going to take this profile and I'm going to try to find a very high authoritative company, doesn't matter category, but just something that I know, like a McDonald's or a CVS or just it's been there for a very long time and consistently gets reviews. So let's see what we find. Now, if you're from the South or you're from Florida, Central Florida especially, you're going to know what Publix is. It's an amazing grocery store. Everybody loves it. But I just Googled Publix Lakeland because I know there's going to be a ton of authority with that entity, and there's also going to be people leaving reviews quite often. So let's see. As you can see, we're at newest, 9 hours, 14 hours, a day ago, a day ago, a day ago, 2 days ago, right? So this is going to have a huge quality score. It already has 1,400 reviews. I can tell you that this Publix has been here for well over 20, 30 years. So the listing is aged. This was verified 20 plus years ago. So this is a great listing to have, right? Let's see if we can get a review to stick here. So let's just write a review. Just going to put like great food, amazing service, right? I don't know if we should maybe write a little bit longer copy to be fair. I just got bored here on the review copy. I just wanted to make it longer. So we would be, kind of make it fair. Keep the variables the same, and we're going to post it. Perfect. Done. Let's see our review right here just now. And we'll refresh it. Reviews. Can't get the share URL for that review on that new local, that new URL that they have on Maps. So actually have so here is the review. As you can see 4 minutes ago. Let's look at the maps. I need to get the share URL. Reviews. Newest. And not that one. Southgate Shopping Center. Is it this one? Yes, right here. Get the share URL. Let me copy it. I'll come through. Paste it in. Boom. So as you can see, on my profile, this has went through, that we know that this is good. So what that tells us, this whole point is the problem is with that listing, and we need to go through a listing warm-up protocol to increase that trust flow, and it's not the actual Gmails, right? Now, it would be the vice versa if we tried something like this and didn't get the review through, then we need to start looking at the actual Gmail account, right? All right, in the next video, I'm going to try to reverse it and have a bad Gmail account, but a good listing. And I'm going to show you how that we do that next. And then we kind of go into like a listing warm-up protocol. That should be fun. We'll see you guys on the next one.